Hello, I'm Miss Val, and I work for Michigan State University Extension in Branch County. Today, I'm here in the Children's Garden, the 4-H Children's Garden at MSU, and welcome. We're so glad that you've joined us. Today, we're going to be making a personal salad in a bag, and I'd like to thank Food Heroes for the recipe that we're going to use, and you'll be able to find that on the website attached to this video. So let's start by being food safe by washing our hands. Take some soap, and one of the big things about washing our hands is making suds. The suds are really important, so that scrubbing, and we need to wash our hands for at least 20 seconds. But see all this foam that I've got? That's really important. Between your fingers, around your nails, get your whole hand so that you aren't transferring any germs to your food. Then you need to rinse them well and dry them on a towel. All right, and I'll put my bowl down. Okay, so we have romaine lettuce that we'll be using today, some dinosaur kale, which is nice and dark green, pretty, a kohlrabi that was grown here at the Children's Garden, some celery as well. This is some bok choy from the garden, some beautiful little carrots. Look at how tiny those are and bright orange. Some chives and a chive blossom that you can also eat, and some fennel, which is nice and feathery and pretty in a salad. So we're going to start by washing our vegetables and herbs to put in our salad. So for all of you, you can just take your vegetables and, like this lettuce, this romaine lettuce, just pull the pieces, and we need to put it in our water, and it needs to be rinsing for at least 20 seconds. So we'll just pull some of these off. We'll rinse those, and we'll throw in some of our celery and our kale, a few of our little carrots, our chives, some bok choy, basil, little thyme. So we've got quite a variety. Here's our kohlrabi. And we are ready to start putting things in our bag. All right, now we've washed our vegetables, and when I say wash, I mean rinsed. We do not use any soap on our fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to take these out. Let's do a little extra scrub on our carrots because they just came right out of the ground. Okay, a few other things here. All right, and our chive blossom. Okay, so I would just take your lettuce and just kind of tear it. And all of you need at least 3 different vegetables, or 3 vegetable servings, which would be about a cup of fresh. And then if you have canned, that would be a half a cup. So what we're going to make today will be about 2 cups. So if you ate this, this would be 2 servings of your vegetables for the day. And why do we need vegetables? Well, vegetables give us vitamins and minerals that help so that our skin is nice, so that we have our skin will heal. And look at how cute those are. And so it helps our vision. So everything that we count on, we need to feed our body well so that it continues to do those things for us. And another important piece to our health is activity. So all of you need at least 60 minutes, 1 hour of activity a day. So get out there and find things to do. So this is bok choy. You can find that at the grocery store. This is some of our thyme. For a little bit of flavor, we're also going to make our own dressing. We're just going to add it right to the salad. And let's see, we could eat those carrot tops, but we'll leave those out. And we'll add a few pieces of chive. I don't know if that looks like 2 cups. I better keep going. So this would be a nice way to take a salad if you were going on a picnic, but also it might help you to eat your vegetables if you can see how much you need to eat a day. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I think it's a fun one. All right, so for the kohlrabi, we need to cut it, and it's kind of like a potato. It's kind of tough, but it kind of has a potato cabbage taste to it, and you peel it, or at least I'm going to try to peel it. So we'll see if it likes to peel today. Well, we'll just cut it, and then I'll cut up some pieces and put those in the salad. It's nice and white and really super crunchy and very yummy. So it could take the place of your croutons if you like croutons on your salad, but it just adds a nice little crunch. So we've got some color and a variety of different vegetables in our salad. Okay. All right, our dressing is very simple. It's some vinegar and oil. And if you don't like vinegar, you could use a lime or a lemon juice. And we're going to use a half a teaspoon of each. And this is a vinegar. We're going to add it right to our bag. If I can get it in the bag. And our oil. You could use a vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever oil you have. Okay, add that. And then to help our flavors a little bit of salt, not a lot, and a little bit of pepper if you like pepper. Okay, and then we're just going to take our salad and we're going to toss our salad in our bag. I might have to start making my salads like this. This is pretty nice. So there is our salad, and it has all the dressing on it. It's ready to eat and enjoy. So eat your vegetables, 3 servings a day, and try to eat different colors of vegetables to get different vitamins and minerals. Thank you for joining me today at the Children's Garden. I'm Miss Val.